This video will show how to properly use the extruder. First, connect the extruder to electricity. Decompose the winding mechanism. To do this, open the rear door with the winding mechanism. Unscrew the bolt on the coil holder, unfold the holder and fix the same bolt. Put on the empty coil and fix it on the holder. Turn on the extruder and press the extruder heating switch. Set on the temperature controller to the temperature corresponding to the plastic you are going to use. Pour pellets into the bunker. To check the work of the winding mechanism, do next. Turn on the feed and wind key. In front of the extruder, slide between the sensors using a thin diameter object or a piece of thread. The feed roller and winding mechanism should accelerate and slow down. From the side of the winder, check the winding speed limiter by raising and lowering the rod, and the winder should stop and rotate. After checking, turn off the feed and wind key. When the set temperature is reached, turn on the engine driving the auger in motion. Using the adjustment knob located under the motor switch, adjust the rotational speed of the auger. After the start of extrusion, slowly direct the thread to the bottom using heat-resistant gloves and tweezers. Use tweezers to take the tip of the thread and direct it through the holes in the front of the cooling zone. Fill up the thread through the pulling mechanism to the feed roller. Turn on feed and winding. Fix the thread with restrictive flex. Adjust the speed of rotation of the auger and the winding mechanism so that there is no sudden jerking of the thread by winding mechanism. Check the thread's diameter. Adjust the diameter by changing the temperature of the heater if it's needed. Fill it up in the winding mechanism and wind it on the coil.